Our new showroom, here we have 4 lines, I'll tell. First is 25 kg granule packing line with this vacuum conveyor, a 25 kg packing machine, sealing machine, and the stitching machine. Side part is 2 small auger filling. And this line is 1 to 25 kg powder packing line from the auger conveyor to this powder filling machine. This machine can pack 1 to 25 kg and with dust collector, sealing, stitching, and after that, here is a small pack, 500 gram, and this one is 1 to 10 kg. This line. And here is the valve pack 25 kg powder line. And this is 25 kg powder another line. It's from rubbing mixer to auger conveyor and pack machine, then vacuum nitrogen sealing machine and stitching machine. And the last line is powder tin filling line from unscrambler to the UV sterization machine, and the auger conveyor give powder to filling machine. It's a one-head auger filler. And then is the tin sealing machine. And here's the automatic powder bag pack machine from 100 to 1000 gram. Here is the granule packing line, like nuts, seeds, from this Z-type elevator, then to the combination scale. After is the vertical form fill seal machine, and then to the belt conveyor.